Crypto Kids, welcome back to another video. In this video, I have a friend who's a trader and he has made so much money. His name is Crypto Elias. He's made so much money from shorting Bitcoin, longing Hyperliquid. And in this video, he's going to share us his expectation for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency markets in the upcoming few months and even years as he has prepared a multi-cycle trade that can bring in a lot of money if successful. Elias, I'm very curious to know. I think my audience is very curious to know. But first, how are you doing, my friend?
I am great, and thank you for having me on. It's great to be here.
Of course. Well, Elias, I'm going to hand over the microphone to you. Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure to destroy the like button first. Let's see if we can get to 400 likes, and then I'd love to bring back Elias again. Sir, the mic is yours. I'm sharing your screen. Why don't you tell us exactly what you think is going to happen next for the markets?
Yeah, so first of all, I have a shorting position right now on Bitcoin with 20x leverage. We have made 353% so far. And the reason to why I went short was because we had a textbook rising wedge pattern. And when we broke down, I entered over here, and then we met the target here perfectly. And during bear markets, we usually and generally want to short relief rallies. So that was mainly why I entered this shorting position. And then I also pointed out this bear flag that we had, and the fact that last time when we broke down here, we dumped 30K in price in only 8 days. And the fact that if history would to repeat, we could see a drastic move lower. And that was exactly what played out. And during this period, I have also had a long position now on Hyperliquid. And the reason why I went long on Hyperliquid was actually because we had a bullish divergence on the 4-hourly time frame.
I did the same
So
thing also.
I entered the trade over here at around 54.7. And that's, of course, a perfect entry. And then we got rejected here by the resistance at 76. And right now, actually, we are bouncing here from 65, which is, of course, incredible. And the reason to why I'm long Hyperliquid is, of course, also because it's a great project, in my opinion, with real generating revenue, and also with this burn and buyback mechanism. So that's why I'm actually long on Hyperliquid.
I definitely agree. I mean, I think Hyperliquid is a rare innovation in the crypto industry where you actually have a business that is generating sustainable revenue and they're taking 99% of the revenue to then burn the token, which helps it a lot in the bear market, hence why it's outperformed like every single cryptocurrency out there. And institutions like it. They got the ETFs. It was the fourth crypto to receive the ETF. If you want to learn a lot more about Hyperliquid and all the nitty gritties on how it functions and my personal views on it, then please do click this video at the top right hand corner. We published a full research report and a deep dive. Elias, curious to know though, for BTC particularly, what is the next step forward? What are the new positions that you're planning on taking, or if you're going to close your existing ones in profits and do something different?
Yeah, so actually on this position, I have a take profit at 58,000 as I'm expecting lower prices. And I also have a few shorting positions over on weeks. And I'm planning to close the Bitcoin trade if we hit 58. And the reason is because I do think we are going to see lower prices over the next 3-4 months. And the bear markets usually last for around 364 days. So right now, I think we have another 3 to 4 months left of the bear market. And I think right now what we saw during this move lower was a massive capitulation and panic. And I do think we are going to see, according to the Wall Street cheat sheet here, anger and depression. And then likely we're going to bottom out around October, in my opinion, before starting the next cycle. So actually, I am going to go long. I have put limit orders between 55 and 47. And that's where I think Bitcoin could bottom out between the 200 weekly and 350 weekly. And I think this is going to be the best risk to reward. So the risk to reward is becoming very attractive if we drop to 350. That's where we bottomed out during the last cycle. And if this trade plays out.
And what's that
I
price
think,
level specifically? Sorry for cutting you.
yeah, so this is at around 40, 48,000, 49.
Gotcha.
And that is also a massive level of previous support and resistance. And the upside potential, because I do think 200,000 is a conservative target for Bitcoin for the next cycle, would be
100%.
around 312% unleveraged.
Amazing.
So that's my own plan and strategy for the next cycle.
Well, Elias, thank you so much for coming on. I really do appreciate you. If you guys are looking for a place to be taking such trades, then you can check out our partnered exchanges using the links down below with the likes of Weeks, BTCC, and Lovex. I saw that you have the majority of your positions open actually on BTCC. And with
Yeah.
the second link, guys and girls, you will get a fantastic bonus where you can get up to a 30,000 in sign-up bonus, 10% deposit bonus, and a 33% reduction on your trading fees as you will become a VIP. Elias, before letting you go and thanking you for coming on, is there any final words that you would like to share with the Crypto Kids community?
Yeah, so in the short term, I'm actually bearish over the next few months, but I want to give you some hopium, and that is, of course, that we are soon about to enter the next bull market, in my opinion, with around 3 years of good price action. So I'm very, very excited for that.
Amazing. Elias, thank you so much. Crypto Kids, thank you for watching. If you want to check out Elias's channel, of course, I'll link it in the description down below. It's great to have fellow creators in the industry who are, grinding in the bear market. I was there. We're still grinding in the bear market. I grinded in the last bear market, so I know exactly how it feels like. And I think you definitely deserve a voice, Elias. So thank you for coming on.
Yeah.
Appreciate you guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video soon. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye bye.